Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background of your video on a Capcut mobile application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a project on my Capcut application and I'm going to remove the background of this video. First thing first, we need to click on the video and then we have to go to the remove background option. You can scroll all the way to the right until you find this option, remove background, and here we can use three features to remove our background. We can use auto removal, custom removal, or chroma key. If your background is green screen background, I recommend you to use this chroma key feature. But if your background is like this, you can use the custom removal or auto removal. If you want to use the custom removal, you need to remove your background manually like this. And I'm just going to use the auto removal, so the background will be removed automatically like this. And as you can see that my background has been removed, and we just need to click on this check mark and we can go back to our edit, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove background of our video on Capcut mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.